Well, hey everybody, it's Paul, and we are going to Menards, one of my favorite stores, to buy a little rototiller. It's me and Ryan, and it's actually going on Ryan's tab this time. It's going to be for his house. We're putting in a new flower bed, and it is hard work. Now, I know I'm soft, but it is hard, isn't it? It really is, turning that dirt over, and we're thinking if we can get one of these real little cheapo rototillers and give that a shot, it may save our back a little bit. So we're going after, what's that thing called? The Earthquake?
Earthquake, I think
33cc Earthquake. So it's not real expensive. We hit our eye on a Honda, but that was like $370. This one's like $200 cheaper than that, right?
Yeah.
170 or so. So we're going to see how it goes. It isn't going to be like earth shattering, but we'll see what it can do. Here's the project. We want to eventually do these flower beds, and this is obviously we're taking the grass out, but we'll see if it can do. This is just some dirt that was underneath the grass, and there's some roots in there, so it's going to be a good test. So assembly is super easy, I would say. I mean, didn't even need to break out the instructions. All you've got is 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, and you're done. Less than 5 minutes. Looks pretty cool. They give you oil for a gallon of gas. So we're gonna try cranking her up, see what it can do. The wheels come assembled. There wasn't nothing to it. So I was telling Ryan, it looks like the finish is pretty nice on this little thing. Like little things like the gas cap has a little retainer, and so we just put in some fuel, and it says like 3 to 6. You can punch the little. Has it got some in there?
Yeah, it's got some in there.
Put the choke on.
Yeah, here it is.
Is it on, off?
I think that's on.
Oh, okay. Choke is that way. It was choked.
It was choked?
Yeah,
choked?
see, that's showing
Okay,
like blocking,
reset.
and then this is clear.
Okay.
The way I'm reading it. Is that how you seeing it? See, like this is like a
Looks
channel.
closed.
Yeah, that's
Looks open.
closed. Oh, it's not hard to pull.
You try it.
It goes right down.
Does it?
This is pretty good, man.
Yeah. Is it? Yeah, I see it.
It cut that out. I felt it. See that one right there? gotta say, I'm impressed.
Yeah, look at it pulling roots right out and everything.
Look at it. It's effortless. It just wants to get, all you do is keep it from going.
Pretty good. Let's see what happens if we put it right on sod just for a...
Okay, well, let
it
me
may
move
not
the
do
plow.
anything. Yeah. Maybe try it here where we removed the sod but haven't actually touched it, and then try it on the grass just to see. We can see what happens on pure grass. I don't know if it's gonna go through it, but oh, did we get a clump? Oh, there's a clump of sod stuck in it.
Dude, it's look how deep it is.
Yeah?
He'll just sit there all day and keep going down. That was all just pure sod. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It looks pretty good. I mean, how aggressive is it holding on to it?
Especially in the dirt. When it gets on the grass, it wants to walk away, so you still fish.
Yeah.
What you could do is lower the plow, I think, you know.
Yeah.
As far as going through the dirt, it goes right along.
Hmm.
Not sponsored by whoever this one. What was this one called?
The Earthquake?
Not even that annoyingly loud, really.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet.
Good job, I'll tell you. It does great. I like it.